Security One is a company that thousands of customers across the U.S. have trusted for over 10 years. Building on those valuable relationships, we have collected many second home customers and businesses through referrals from our many satisfied customers. Security One is a nationwide company with local offices in your area to handle any request or service you may need on your new or existing security system. Our personal award-winning service is second to none, garnering the title of #1 in customer service in the U.S. and #1 in monitoring. Security One carries only top-of-the-line security hardware from Honeywell and GE. We have the best service rates in the business, plus your satisfaction is always guaranteed. For more information on how we can save you money while most importantly, keeping your home and your family safe, call us now at 888-584-5152.